In this video, I will be showing you how to register for classes. To begin, click on Logins at the very top of the Medisnat College main page. Click on MHC Student and Student Portal. If you know your username and password, go ahead and log in. If you do not know your username and password, you would have received an email with this information. After you have logged in, you will end up on a page that looks similar to this one. Click on Show Quick Links and then Online Registration. You should see the program you are enrolled in beside Enrollment. Go ahead and drop down the Term menu and select the semester you'll be registering classes for. I am registering for Fall 2018. I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to click Select. And then I'm going to scroll down and click Begin Online Registration. You will end up on a page that looks like this. But before we get started, I recommend that you have your program planning guide and a blank class schedule handy. I will show you where to find these on the website. On the main Medisnat College website, type in Program Planning Guide in the top right-hand corner in the search engine and click on the first link. Find the academic year you're registering for. I am doing 2018 to 2019. And find your program. Here's mine, Child and Youth Care Counselor. I'll save that. So there is my program planning guide, and now I would like a class schedule. Once again, save it. And now I have a copy of a blank class schedule, so I'll print both of those out so it makes registration a little bit easier. Before I head back to the student portal, I'm going to use my program planning guide to show you the difference between a required course and an elective course. These courses are required. They are specific course names and numbers that you need to take in order to graduate from your program. Now, electives are courses that allow you some flexibility when it comes to choice, typically within defined parameters. In this case, I get to choose from some 200 level English courses. Your courses will likely fall under both the required and elective categories. If you are a university transfer student, all of your courses will be electives. If you are unsure of what courses you need to take or which courses will transfer to the next institution you plan to attend, please book an appointment with your academic advisor. Now I am ready to begin registering for classes, and I am going to start with my required courses. To bring them up, drop down the display menu and select Required, and then search. Following my program planning guide, I will start with the Child and Youth Care Counselor 111 lecture. I expand the course to see my options. This course only has one option. It is Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8 a.m. until 9:15 a.m. And there are spots available. So I'm going to add this section. A co-requisite alert appears, which means that there is another course I must take at the same time as this lecture. This is the lab component. Click OK. Next, I will expand the Child and Youth Care Counselor 111 lab. One of these sections is full, and one of them has spaces available. So this is the one that I'm going to add to my schedule. In terms of date and time, looks like no course meeting times have been scheduled yet. I do still need to add it, and if that date that is decided on conflicts with my current class schedule, I will be contacted. The next course I need to register for is the Interdisciplinary Studies 100 lecture. I'm going to add LCMA. This course also has a lab component, so I get the co-requisite alert again. Okay. I will go ahead and add the IDST lab. I'm going to choose LBME. Kinesiology 281 is next, and this class is waitlisted, meaning there currently is not a space for me. However, since this class is a required course, a space will be made for me. I just need to contact the registration desk. But I'm going to waitlist myself anyway just to show you how it's done. Would you like to waitlist this course? Yes. There is a Kinesiology 281 lab as well. I'm going to expand that one. And I'm going to choose LBMB because it does work best with my schedule. However, both of these are waitlisted, and at the end of the day, I may not have a choice of which lab I will be put into. Once again, would you like to waitlist? Yes. My last required course is Psychology 205. I am going to add LCMC first to show you what a time conflict will look like. So I get this error. It asks me if I would like to keep the section I'm trying to add. I'm going to say no. Instead, I'm going to add LCMJ. Now, the last course that I need to add is my elective. So I'm going to drop down this display menu again, select elective, and search. And here are my 200 level English courses. I would like to register for English 252, and I'm going to register in LCMB. I have now added all of my classes and can click on Proceed to Final Step to finish the registration process. I will not be registered in my classes until I do proceed to the final step. Once you have been redirected to this page, go ahead and click on Register. I am now officially registered in all of my Fall 2018 courses, with the exception of my kinesiology courses, which were waitlisted. If you would like to take a look at your schedule in a weekly format, go ahead and minimize this page, select My Schedule, select week 2, and there you have it. Now remember, if you have courses for winter, spring, make sure you register for those courses as well. You can select the semester here and go ahead and do the same process we did for fall. Begin your online registration and start all over again. Now, if you have any questions about registering, you can send us an email at registration@mhc.ab.ca. Thanks for watching.